Welcome back. Earthen pots. How many of us have known about it? It's the old forgotten beauty of Goans. These pots were used to store cool water in olden times. Every year these pots and earthen vessels are displayed at the fair, but only a few purchase them. Traditionally, it is believed to be gentle on the throat and better than drinking chilled water from the fridge. There are various types of earthen pots available in the market. Prudent tried to capture the handmade earthen pots and showpieces. Mayur Naik reports.
पयलेच्या भाशेन तितलो जायना पूण वता लोक पळय आल्लो आहा पळय तो वता येपार आनी आपलो हें करता ती जाणा कितें टेस्ट आनी कितें पळय तो हेल्थाक लागून सुबेज करून तो लोक वता आपलें हेल्थ बरें उरोंक जाय म्हणून तो लोक वता आनी स्टिलीच्या हेतून तुका म्हणटा आमकां हेल्थ ना म्हणटा ती स्टिलीच्या वस्तूंनी हेल्थ ना म्हणटा
आतां सगळे हेजे स्टिलीचे आनी एल्युमिनियमचे लोकूच दाखयता हें आतां कोण थोडोसो लोकूच दाखयता पूण आतां कितें हें म्हारग स्टील घे जाल्यार एल्युमिनियम गेले तें तुका रिसेल करून जाता रिसेल केलें जाता हें कितें जालें एक फावट व्हडलें गेलें हें तुका रिपेर करून जायना हां टेस्ट मातशें डिफरंस येता एल्युमिनियमचें आनी हिंत टेस्ट मातशें बरें येता नो डावट हिंत मातशें टेस्ट बरें येता आनी मातशें उत्ताय
ह्या आयदनाची आतां मातशी रेट वाडल्या कारण जो ट्रान्सपोर्ट तशेंच ती मातयेचो रेट आसा ती वाडला ह्या कारणान लागून हेची रेट वाडल्या तरी सुद्दां लोकांचो हेचेर भरपूर डिमांड आसा कित्याक लोकांक ही आयदनां जाय कित्याक तांकां हेल्थ बरें आसपा जाल्यार ही आयदनां तांकां यूज करपाकूच जाय मुरगांवच्यान मयूर नायक प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर
Goa's Feni process may get a patent if ICAR succeeds. The ICAR has filed an application to the Patenting Authority of India to patent the process of Feni. ICAR Director in Goa Narendra Pratap Singh said better technology will be used to produce good Feni and export quality Feni. ICAR aims at providing the technology to Feni manufacturers in Goa. Researchers have devised a new technology with an improvised version of a traditional method involving introduction of microorganisms during fermentation of the juice.
The famous drink of Goa, Feni, also popular as the jungle juice, has received geographical indication status. The Indian Council for Agricultural Research has decided to patent the process to manufacture the local brew. ICAR has forwarded the application to the Patenting Authority of India, which would certify the process.
Feni actually Goa क्या है कि Feni they got the GI, there is no doubt, geographical indication, but everybody is producing different ways. Some they are producing, you can say, very traditional way, but we are thinking that for export potential point of view, that if you are going to have some good technology, then it can have the products of good quality. But if you are going to maintain this particular quality parameters and technology, we can have a good products. So on that aspects we are working. We have filed the patent also, the Patent Authority of India also, this total package.
Feni also has a medicinal value. This is how the Feni is processed. The cashew apple is separated from its nut. Traditionally, to extract the juice, the cashew is crushed with the feet. The juice is then stored for fermentation. After a couple of days, it is distilled through traditional process. Single distillation generates hurrak, which after further distillation generates Feni. Now the manufacturers will be able to produce export quality Feni using latest technology.
Now we are thinking some person from the South Goa, they could come forward, so we can give this technology, and we are going to sell this technology. After patenting, we are going to sell it to any users. They can take it and they can use this, so they can make a very good type of Feni products. This is our target.
Researchers have devised a new technology. It's an improvised version of the traditional method involving introduction of microorganisms during fermentation of the juice. The process would yield Feni, which would be available in different flavors. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Dhoni's Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians clash in the IPL Grand Finale. Spot fixing and betting controversy is rocking the nation and Goa too. But will this phenomenon squash the real thrill and excitement of IPL? Prudent contacted a few young cricketers and cricket lovers to know whether they are still excited about this mega cricket tourney or not. Interestingly, though betting episode has put a blot on IPL, cricket lovers in Goa are still following it religiously. Lokik Shilkar reports with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
चेन्नई और मुंबई का चैलेंज के लिए तैयार हो Good hit, but there is a man there. He's found him.
आज का जो मैच फाइनल होने जा रहा है, आप उसकी गारंटी दे सकते हैं आज का वो मैच क्लीन होगा, इसकी गारंटी दे सकते हैं?
नहीं, श्रीशांत के मामले के बाद कुछ ठीक नहीं लगता है।
अब जो आज मैच देखोगे फाइनल, तो आपको उम्मीद है, वो उम्मीद है जो पहले आप IPL देखते थे?
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत तो है, पर
गॅरंटी नाही.
आधी क्लीन असणार का जाऊ आता जास्त सेक्युरिटी लावली आहे त्या CCIमध्ये, म्हणून त्यांना काय तर टफ असणार फिक्सिंग करायला, म्हणून आजची मॅच क्लीन असणार.
Well, if you go to see, there's a lot of controversy regarding betting and fixing, but ultimately see all the players are not involved in fixing or betting. So in fact I love the game of cricket, so I purely watch it on that basis.
He's standing deep in the crease or whether he's standing outside the... Oh, he's got this one as so. And you know so. Here we go.
Of course I'll be watching that. No doubt, whatever the issues are going on, I'll be interested to watch the match.
जो स्पोर्ट्स फिक्सिंग का केस आया ऊपर और अब तक जो सब कुछ चल रहा है, उसके बाद आपको उम्मीद रह गई है IPL?
Of course, the game is about the individual players or the team. The game is important.
एज ए क्रिकेटर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज का मैच तो फिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए और होगा भी नहीं. फिक्स तो नहीं होगा, बैटिंग बहुत चलेगी. बैटिंग के लिए तो क्रिकेटर जिम्मेदार नहीं है. क्रिकेटर को उकसाया गया है ये पूरे पॉलिटिशियंस को. उनकी बैकिंग के थ्रू ही एक क्रिकेटर कुछ कर पाता है. इंडिविजुअली क्रिकेटर अपनी क्रिकेट स्पॉइल करने के लिए कभी फिक्स नहीं करेगा. ये बाहर से अंडरवर्ल्ड के लोग और ये जो जितने भी पॉलिटिशियंस होते हैं उनकी बैकिंग के द्वारा ही ये लोग फिक्स कर सकते हैं मैच को.
फाइनल फिक्स नहीं होगा?
नहीं, ये मुझसे ले लीजिए.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.